Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig video for you guys. This is a 13x6 lace front deep wave wig from Dainaer Hair. So without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'm taking out the wig from the pack and everything. It comes with the wig cap, and then this is the wig in the pack. It comes with that net. It's, as you can see, it's 26 inches, and it comes with that protective net that always comes on these front wigs and stuff. And it also has an elastic band, as you can see, to fit your head, and it also comes with combs to give you extra security so that your wig stays in place on your head. So this is the deep wave texture, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm about to show you guys what the lace of this wig looks like. So this is a regular lace front wig. It's not like HD lace or crystal lace. So as you can see, it is pre-plucked. However, I feel like you still need to do a little more plucking on this if you want it to match your scalp perfectly. And you also have to bleach the knots. As you can see, the knots are a little dark, so you have to bleach it. You have to tint the lace as well so it matches your scalp. So you still need to do some customization to this if you want it to look as natural and as flawless as possible. So this is the wig, and I'm about to put it on my head. As you can see, I'm wearing my wig cap, and my hair is prepped under. And I'm just going to place it on my head, basically figure out how I want to lay it, adjust it so that it fits on my head perfectly. I have a big head and I have a lot of hair, so their regular size wigs will definitely fit most people. I was able to fit the wig on my big head. So now I'm going to be using Got2b and a dryer just to lay. I already have a video on how I lay my wig, so we're just going to basically rush through it. But as you can see, I sprayed the Got2b spray, and then I used the hand dryer to basically dry it down. And that's what I do all over my hairline. As you can see, I'm using the end of the rat tail comb to make sure that it is laid properly and glued down properly to my hair. Like I said, I already have a previous video showing you guys this entire wiggling process in detail, but yeah, I'm just going over it quickly. Just use the I prefer to use Got2b spray over the glue, but anyone that works for you, you use anyone that works for you. And I'm actually also using the dryer on the cool setting, so you don't have to use the heat setting, just as long as it dries. Anyways, I'm cutting off the lace now. So as you can see, I'm using this razor to cut off the excess lace. I find that it makes your install look better when you use a razor as opposed to using scissors. And also, if you get to a point where, let's say, you oversprayed the Got2b, you can simply take a cotton ball and some water, a soaked cotton ball soaked with water, and use it to clean off the excess glue as you go along, the excess glue that may be on your forehead, so it will make the process of cutting off the excess lace easier. Just taking a pair of scissors to do some of the edges. So as you can see, the lace is very white. So like I said, you will have to tint this, especially if you have darker skin, to make sure that it fits your scalp and it matches your scalp better. Anyways, I'm just pulling out some hair at the edges. Those are the pieces I'm going to use to do the baby hairs. Now, normally I would do my makeup and use my foundation to make the lace brown, but I was going somewhere later that day and I wasn't ready to do my makeup yet. So I'm just going to be taking my foundation brush and going over the lace just to make it a little bit brown. It would darken it a bit. However, it will still be like slightly lighter than my skin. But when I do my makeup at the end and show you guys how everything looks, you will see that it's a more flawless install. So like I said, definitely make sure that you tint this lace. If you don't want to put foundation on it, make sure that you tint the lace before you install the wig. So I'm just trying to curve the hair so I can do my baby hairs. Like I said previously, this is not HD lace. This is not like those crystal clear laces that are like super thin, that lay very flat on your scalp. This is just a regular pre-plucked lace, so you would have to bleach the knots. You have to do a little more plucking, if you want it to look more natural. And you also definitely have to tint the lace as well. But the good thing about this is that this lace is not as expensive as the HD lace or those other laces. So if you don't want to pay excess money for the HD lace and the crystal lace and all those other types of laces, you can definitely get this one, but you just have to do the work of customizing the lace to fit your scalp. So now I'm just going over the parting with a curling one and my iron just to press everything down. And as you can see, the wig does have a really deep parting space. So you have it's a 13 by 6 frontal and you get a lot of parting space. The deeper the parting space, the more natural the wig looks. So as you guys can see, and the hairline still looks a little bit light, but at the end when I do my makeup and everything, it will blend seamlessly. So now I am defining the curls of the wig. As you can see, I sprayed some water and I'm putting on some mousse, and I'm just gonna rake that through the hair and go over it with a white tooth comb. Just basically define the curls with a white tooth comb, and I'm gonna do that all over the wig. I got very minimal shedding with this wig. As you can see, yeah, the wig barely sheds, and it's also very full. It's 250% density, so there is a lot of hair, and the wig doesn't really tangle as well. As you can see, it's very easy for me to run the comb through the hair to define the curls, so minimal tangling and minimal shedding. And the curls define so easily. So now I'm just doing the last section, as you guys can see. And as you can see, the lace doesn't even look that bad. I haven't done my makeup yet. I just put a little bit of foundation on it. I haven't put like powder and all of that, but the foundation has settled in and darkened a bit. So the lace is looking much better. But it will look even better after I do my makeup and blend everything together. So I am done laying this wig on my head. It actually was pretty easy to lay, honestly. And I didn't have to do so many baby hairs in front to hide the lace. You know how sometimes, like, if the lace isn't looking good, like people do so much baby hairs. But I didn't need to do that. And the wig looks really nice. So now the hair is dry. This is actually the next day. But the hair is dry, as you guys can see. And the hairline looks so much better. It matches my skin tone much better. And please ignore my wig cap and the parting. But yeah, regardless, the hairline looks really great. The hair itself is quite soft. And yeah, this is really nice hair, honestly. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information for this hair is going to be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. I don't think I'll classify this as transparent HD lace. I think this is just like regular pre-plucked lace. So you would, if you want it to be more natural, you still have to do a little bit more plucking, and you will still have to tint the lace to match your skin tone more. And yeah, you would also have to bleach the knots as well. So if you don't mind doing all those customizations, then definitely this wig is not bad. The hair itself is not bad at all, because most of the times, like the clear lace and the HD lace, the crystal clear lace, those ones are a little bit more expensive. So this is kind of like a cheaper alternative with regards to the lace, but you have to do more work in customizing the lace to match your scalp and stuff and to look more natural. So it's basically up to you. If you want to do the work, then you pay less money, but if you don't want to do the work, then you pay more. All the information for where you can get this hair is going to be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, don't forget to watch my other wig videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.